This video is introduced about research project in NFV, because the project is implemented on Docker container. So here we're gonna demonstrate the system. Firstly, we will start the system by using Docker script on Ubuntu. We have one main server, one upload server, and 3 delivery servers, and one client. And here is starting script for client, delivery server, and upload server, and main server. Now we're gonna start it. Because all of the Docker container is belong to network 1, so the main server will be assigned IP 10.100.0.2, and here is going to be 10.103. Delivery server is 4. The first delivery server is 4. Is 5. Is 6, and the client is going to be 10.100.7. Now we're starting management server. By the script. For upload server. Now, client, we don't need to start anything. So now the server is ready, and we connect to client VPN, the control system. Actually, in the NFV environment, we can start and stop main and upload delivery server automatically. But now we didn't put it in NFV yet. For example, here we can have stop script for the first delivery server. And now lock in the system .7 for client. Now we are ready to manage the system. Because this address is local address, so we need to manage inside this client. Now we're starting from log in the system, the main server, the 0.2.8000. The port is open for main server, this main server. And log in at admin to connect the main server with upload and delivery server. Firstly, we're gonna add upload server first. The upload server has this address and 3 delivery server. The third one, the first one, the second one, and the third one. Now the main server is connect with upload server, delivery server. Then we're gonna check content management, this task. This menu will show which video is available on which server. For example, we have upload server. We already push 5 videos, 5 testing video into upload server. Now we can see that we have 5 video here, and delivers the third delivers the second, and the third doesn't have any video yet. And this upload server management will manage content. Here is content available in all server, and we have 3 delivery server here. We can synchronize content from the left to the selected server here. Now the content synchronization method is on automatic. That means when client request video streaming, the main server will define the best server for the client. But if the client doesn't have, if the delivery server doesn't have video, it's gonna check on upload server, and that content, that video, we will synchronize to the nearest server. For example, if we see that the nearest server is the first delivery server here, the content will be automatically be synced to this delivery server. We also have this manual mode. By pressing check it, and we press this button, it's gonna sync content. But later I will show that. And the client management menu will show which client is having streaming with which server. So now we gonna look at how the system work. Firstly, we click on this video so that the best server here is 10.100.3, the third and the first delivery server. But actually content is not synchronized to that server yet. But after we click on OK button, the content will be synchronized to the first server. For example, here, the video will appear on the list here. It has, we must wait for a little while. Oh no, it's on manual mode. So the video is not synchronized yet. So back here, click on it, and here is video, is streaming, adaptive video streaming, and here's a video buffer level and audio buffer level. Now check back. Number 3 is upload server. The best server is upload server. Now check on client. We have client IP is here, and current streaming with server upload server here. And if we click on it, we will see that RTT, the small RTT means that means best server. Smallest, so the best server is the second delivery server, 10.100.0.5, and you can look back to this server. Video already seen here. So now if we go back to the main page and we click on it on this video again, it will appear like the best server is the second delivery server, 10.100.0.5. Yeah, it's here. Now load, press the load button, the blue button here. It will load the video streaming. Is popular bitrate downloading is so the information of adaptive streaming. And client management here, if we click on this one, it will select it, press menu, and if we click the video again, it will select the upload server because we select this server as manual. That means it will select one server every time. The main server will direct the request to this upload server. Now load, here's streaming. And you can even check on the server management that upload server has one client is having streaming with this server. If we click on upload server and click menu, and we sync this video to delivery server number 5 here, content will be synced to this server. Content from upload server will be synced to this server. And here, check it, go back, and we have been synchronize content to this server. So now we have 2 servers here, 2 videos. So now we click on this video. Yep, the best server now is upload server 10.100.03 because we already selected as manual mode. Click on it and we change automatic, and we go back. It will change to the second delivery server. Here is 10.100.0.5. Load here, and we have streaming. The adaptive streaming allow the video quality fluctuate along with bandwidth or network condition. For example, here we can control the network by slow 3G. The bitrate downloading will be decreased just a little bit. 300. Let's wait for it. Now, okay, you can see that the video quality is a little bit decreased when compared with the last one. So we back here, set it automatic. In the delivery server, we can synchronize all the content to the third server, this button. Okay, now we have all the content in the third server, 10.100.0.6. Now we check that we already have full video. One video is not in the list. Okay, now we have 5 video here. We can even delete one video from here. Delete this one, delete this one. We have to while. Wait for a little while. The content, the information we will send to delivery server to main server around 30 seconds. Now we see it. 3 server is already, no, 2 videos already be deleted. Now the video, we have some other clients. If we click on this video, we click on Toby Mac. Yeah, the best server is here. Now have a look at the client management. We see client IPs, it's client, and streaming server is this. Now we see it. The lowest RTT is this server. So the content between all the content, if all the video if available on the third server, it will directly this CDN and this client will directly streaming with the server. So that is all the tutorial for demonstrating this the result on NFV.